So we have Hato mugi, cooked grain. So we had that last meal. If you hadn't followed that, then you need to cook this, have it the night before, or just cook it in a very different way than when you have leftovers. This is the grain Hato mugi, or they call it Job's tears or mugi barley. So it looks like that. It's a lovely little grain. And so it's a fat dissolver. Today I'm going to use apricots. So I just have the apricots in a jar, and chia seeds. So we add quite a bit of water. This depends on how long you cook the grain for. I cook it the night before. So before I've had dinner, just pop water in the pot and let it cook away for an hour or two and let it rest overnight. So the chia seeds are lovely. They need cooking. And there's a cup of cooked Hato mugi in there. I'm going to add 3 cups. This doesn't take long at all, really. It's the cooking that takes the time. And being organized is the key. These apricots are really, really good for the liver. But it's really a treat, because some of your cleansing foods, weight loss foods, for the want of a better term, for the next month, that any of you that are following me on this weight loss program, or sizeal change, or getting back into the health of your well-being, you'll need a little sweetie treats here and there. Otherwise you'll be having that coffee in the morning and going, I need, oh look, my juice has just kicked in, I need something really sweet. So that's all there is to it. And now we just let it cook, and I'll show you the photo at the end. So simple little treat. Pop it on the oven, get it up to the heat, and then turn it down to a simmer, a low simmer. Cook it as long as you like, but make sure you turn it off before you go to bed. Enjoy. Well done.